This is my 10/7/2024 market daily buys for London session. And today there's no news. Monday no news. Today no news. It's kinda probably gonna be a in and off type of day because CPI is at Thursday. Wednesday is FOMC meetings. Thursday is CPI. Friday is PPI. We could trade Thursday after London session, the New York session, and other news. Anyway, Friday. The good thing is that PPI is not first, because when PPI is first, the actual move that's supposed to be happening won't happen. So PPI is actually coming out first. No, CPI is coming out first, so we can have a better price action rather than the market just manipulating us and not giving us the actual move of the news. So what we're gonna do is my daily buys for London session for today. I am bearish. What is the reason I'm bearish? The daily, right? We still have not hit that last week's, right? We had the Monday range right over here. Tuesday souped it out, but throughout the whole week we never hit our objective goal, which was here. And my goal for this day to the next couple of days until this objective gets met, my goal is gonna be here to this right over here. So my main daily buys aligns with this. So this daily range, weekly range, I don't care about, but I do like to see my main bias, which is the 4-hour bias and the 4 hours liquidity, align with it, and currently it is. So the 4-hour drawn liquidity is bearish. The next drawn liquidity is older over here. The 4-hour box is bearish. So I did my market structure wrong. Now I fixed my market structure. I think it's unnecessary on it. It's just that this is a real market structure. How come it is a real market structure to the downside? Yes, it's the breakout structure. It's like regardless, it will be a breakout structure to the downside. But this one has a logical reason. Market took out liquidity here. So this right here, now it's a breakout structure. So now the market is a downtrend, right? And you can see beforehand, this breakout structure was a false breakout structure. How was this a false breakout structure over here? It's very simple. It's just that you could see the lows are getting rejected and the highs are just getting, disrespected. You could see this side, you never got hit, right? But guess what the market do? Just straight away ran through it, right? And guess what the lows did? Got rejected. So this was a false structure, right? Now just fix it kindly. This week was a really good week for me. Is this week I'm not gonna FOMO, okay? But what we have here is origin liquidity is bearish because market took out its liquidity. The next round liquidity was here, but market ran through this, so the next round liquidity is right back to the downside. Unless the market goes over here, the structure can be bullish. But we're below the 50% mark of the range. I do want to see a PD array go back to the range, go back to the discount, and possibly take our liquidity, or go into hourly. We don't have to even go to the passive liquidity. We could just create an hourly for value gap. That's hourly for value gap, but go to the 50% and push back down. I think that's what the market likes to do. It likes to slide the 50% mark back. Go right back down, right? But I'm looking for a hourly confluence to the downside, which is this. And I'm looking for a 5-minute unicorn model instead of 15-minute. The 4-hour structure is bearish. 4-hour buy drawn liquidity is bearish. We're going with the CRT model, right? CRT range. So the main drawn liquidity is gonna be this low right here, which is a CRT range low. The hourly box is bearish. The hourly drawn liquidity at the moment is as well bearish. So we will have all the good signs to see if we can get a sell model here. But my main goal is to follow my rules, not FOMO in, and control my emotions. And I'm gonna de-risk actually, because my new risk management is different. Is that every 3 losing streak, I'm gonna de-risk by 0.5%. So if I'm losing 1%, go to 0.5%. And if I lose another one, another losing 3 losing streak, I'm gonna do another 0.5% of that, 0.5%, so 0.25%, and vice versa, right? So if I win 3 winning streak, the maximum I go is 1%. I can never go above 1%. So if I'm at 0.25%, if I win 3 winning trades, yes, I wanna make less. But once we get in the live capital, in like, and just millions, that's gonna matter, right? So yeah, I'm trying to get rid of that. So every 3 winning streak, from 0.25 to go to 0.50%, then eventually go to 1%, and not above. But yeah, this should definitely help us stop losing a lot. And right now, currently, I'm not in a losing streak, but I am gonna do this because there's some losses, so I need to de-risk, get 30 winning streak, eventually, and I'll go back to normal. But yeah, thank you for watching. My market daily bots, I'm bearish. Just looking for sales. I'm looking for early confluence. So early fair value gap or early partial liquidity. I'm not gonna be using this auto block. I don't trade auto blocks. I mean, it does work with auto blocks. You can see right over here. There's the stab into it. This is the shit. This shit got respect. But yeah, thank you for watching.